Alright, good morning guys. So, my quick vacation to Madrid is over. Sunday, then I have to fly back. I'm flying the same way as here, but now I'm flying on their 737 MAX, which I actually didn't fly yet. And I actually want to see, I want to compare it with what is better, how is it better. If it's like with the Embraer, my money are definitely on the Embraer, or with the 737 MAX. It's like the latest plane they have, so let's check it. And let's also see how is it, how the Madrid airport is for departure. So let's check it. Alright. Okay, so let's check it. Warsaw, LOT 1. Anyway, so let's go. Let's go to the gates. Good. I don't have to check in. Let's go. Okay. It's pretty straightforward. Here, check, security check. And I'm gonna talk to you after security. Alright, so clear the security. It was really quick. It took like 5 minutes. So that was pretty amazing. So now I'm just gonna check the gate. Good. Alright. Okay, so I found my gate, or at least the part of it. So those are the non-Schengen. I'm going for the Schengen. So let's go. I have to go through duty free, like in many airports. I'm not gonna buy anything. But let's go. Yeah, this airport is quite big. Let's just make a shop. I like so far for departure. It doesn't look that bad. It was pretty clear, pretty quick to clear security, so that was good. But for arrival, I didn't like it. I didn't tell you that before in my previous video. I got my bag checked in at Warsaw. They said aircraft is kind of full and it's gonna be like a problem, so I got it. And here they have a two belts, but they don't have it really like written from where it's gonna be the sixth one or to the second one. You have to go to the other terminal. Then it wasn't nice, so I had to go all the way back. They had to kind of let me in to take my bag. It cost me like 15-20 minutes of the time. It really sucks. So if you fly here, unless you have to, don't ever check your bag. Like never do that. It's really like it's not clearly marked, so that's the problem. Still don't have my gate. So but let's keep it in like C. It's kind of far anyway. It's a big airport, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so they finally announced the gate, but actually on the web I actually find out which gates. It's gonna be gate D, but actually my aircraft just arrived. It's right over there. But I can see it's 737-800, so I'm a little bit cheated because it was supposed to be 737 MAX. I still did flew. I think I didn't flew with them. I only flew with the 737-300 with the old one. But it's not gonna be the latest product, and I'm 100% sure that the Embraer is definitely the better option. But yeah, on Sunday I guess more people fly, so it's unfortunately gonna be this one. I know that one is much more comfortable, but as far as I remember, I think they have the like the USBs between the seats, so at least that's maybe like a little improvement. but otherwise it's not so comfy. But still, it's gonna be cool. And it's like 3.5 hours to Poland. And then I have like 1.5 hour, 1 hour 40 minutes only in Warsaw. So I think that's like kind of pretty perfect. Maybe you're gonna have like some quick dinner. I'll see. And then I have another like 1 hour flight to Prague. I should be in Prague about 10 p.m. So it's kind of long day flying. But the other only options were with the area, which were first of all like twice more expensive, and the problem was I would have to fly already at 12, so I would just have to wake up in the morning. Today I still had some time like to do something in Madrid. A couple like 9, even though we did drink quite a bit yesterday, as you saw in my vlog from yesterday. But still, could have go out, do something. From me flying at 2, I would have to like really wake up at 9, just take a cab and go to the airport. So it's definitely a better option to take this one with a layover. Even though you're gonna spend a little bit more time, like 5-6 hours, sorry, 2-3 hours more traveling, but it's still okay. So I'll see you at the bus. Still have like almost 30 minutes till the scheduled departure, and it was already last call, so it looks like this flight's gonna be on time. And let's check our flight. Pretty okay. Seat, it gets no headrest, nothing. So that one is definitely better. The flying with the Embraer than the 737. But yeah, what can you do? Anyway, still that's a good flight. Okay, so the sound was pretty good there. So I'm talking about checking the entertainment system. Uh, the lot actually has one. You just need to log in, and then you can actually connect it to some portal. There was like a map which actually was not working, but then there were some movies and something you can check it, and you can also check the like the menu, so you don't have to actually look at the paper version, but you can. That one was still available as well, but it's pretty good that this is like free of charge and you can use it. Okay, so I made it to Poland, made it to Warsaw. I didn't really film the landing because you know it was dark. Well, you couldn't actually see much. Plus, there's nothing special. Plus, I already filmed the landing on the previous one in Warsaw. It's still the same city. Like right now, I have like 1.5 hour layover, so I'm gonna actually get something to eat, and then I have like 1 hour flight to Prague. It's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be the same thing as here. It's gonna be the Bombardier Q400, so there's no really point. As far as with the flight with their 737 compared to the Embraer is definitely better. It's the seats are wider, much more comfortable. You do have a headrest, even in economy. I'm not saying those 737 like 8 seats are like uncomfortable, but those like, let's say the slimmer seat, the newer one, you don't have a headrest, so that kind of sucks. Otherwise, everything else was normal. It was the same service as last time. Only one good thing was that there was an entertainment system that you can like connect it to your phone or I guess computer, tablet. You can connect it. I did make like some short video. I didn't actually like. I tried to just look at one movie. It looks like it worked. There were a couple of things there, but it's definitely something nice if you don't have something on your phone or on your tablet. It's cool. You can actually do it like this one. As far as for the laptop, there was not enough space. With the Embraer, I will say, boy, I would be able to like take out the laptop and actually do something there because the table was much bigger. Here with the 737, not really. So tablet, yeah, sure. Phone, sure. But that's kind of it. But we were on time, so it was roughly on time, I think. So everything was fine. The flight was cool, and like I said, no mind. I will definitely like to fly with LOT again because, like I said, unlike some others, they actually a little bit improved their service. So that's definitely positive. So I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next time.